Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone's iOS and the CX-5 firmware match CarPlay requirements. Once done, enable Bluetooth and CarPlay in settings so the car can detect your phone. Plug a certified USB-C cable into the Mazda's USB port for wired CarPlay, or prepare wireless by keeping Bluetooth and Wi-Fi active. Make sure the car is parked and the ignition is on. This allows the infotainment to accept new connections. These steps minimize connection errors and speed up the pairing process. Next, on the CX-5 infotainment, select Apple CarPlay or the smartphone link option to initiate pairing. When the phone prompts, confirm the pairing request and compare any on-screen PIN. Accept it on both devices to establish a secure connection. If using wired CarPlay, allow CarPlay on your iPhone when the pop-up appears. If wireless, ensure Wi-Fi remains enabled until connected. Make sure you grant access to contacts, Siri, and notifications so maps, calls, and messages function through the car interface. Finally, confirm the CarPlay home screen appears and test maps, phone, and music to verify audio and touch controls. If something fails, make sure the USB cable is data capable. Swap it out and retry. Once done, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone, or restart the phone and the vehicle's infotainment system to clear temporary issues. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone as a last step. Remember to back up important settings, because that will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.